what he's telling here is that you don't have to be a Muni or Rishi or Vairagi or Tapasvi. You just have to love me. Mami parta vipashrutya. Mami parta vipashrutya. It says, you just have to take shelter, full shelter of me and love me. It doesn't say you have to chant 90,000 rounds a day, go on 10,000 yatras. He said just Mamupat. He says Ashritya. You take full shelter of Krishna. Oh, hey Gopal, hey Gopal, hey Gopal. And then he says, if you don't, because women are generally, not so many exceptions, but women are generally maybe not inclined to go to the Himalayas and live in a cave and chant Om. They want to stay with their husbands and children and security of family surroundings. Fine, okay. You don't, oh, I wish I was a yogi, I wish I was a man, and I could have such a good time in spiritual life. This is not what Krishna is saying. 8th chapter of Gita. He's saying, I love everyone. And I, if you give your love to me, I'll liberate all of you. In India. So this first part, he's talking about all Indians who are within the basic paradigm of the Varnashram system. Comes to come. Varnashram system vitiated, let's say the modern vitiated Varnashram system. What's the word vitiated mean? It means, decrepit and degraded and busted and broken and the burned remnants of whatever Varnashram was millions of years ago. It means vitiated. Distorted, you can say. Distorted, diluted. It's something there. So Krishna is saying, all my people, the yogis and munis, he doesn't have to say anything about. They're already busy on the path of Mukti Marg. They're munis and Mumushabis. Mumushabi means they're on the path of liberation. So we say, just a little old housewife with 2 sons and a little Gopal deity in a living room on top of the television. Because you have a really small flat. So you go, and the television's flat. So you have a little Gopal there, and when you're not watching television, you make an offering to Gopal to take the Mahaprasad. Perfect. Have nothing else. But Gopal in your mind. And the day, okay, you have a husband, you have a wife, all these things. But they're there, we love them, we serve them, we care for them from the beginning to end. But my treasure is in the wall, safe. There's a safe in the wall. Only I know the combination. So the wife has her Elmira, and the husband has his Elmira. And no one can get the keys for each other's Elmira. So now, that in that Elmira, in that wall safe, should be your secret treasure, your secret love. G-O-P-A-L. Oh, Preeti, I love you. You're my everything. I love you so much. But then under your, quietly say, but I love Gopal a lot more. So this is what Krishna is saying in this verse. That you just love me. Then he's saying, okay, that means I've covered everyone in Bharatvarsha. The Vaishyas. Because usually people think Vaishyas will never get liberated. 5,002, 5,003. They're just counting all the time. They're never counting japa, they're doing Sankhya Paisa. Well, we're doing Sankhya Nam. Sankhya Nam, we're counting the holy name. So they're Vaishyas, and then Shudras, oh, they're very stupid, they can't read, they can't write, they can't chant the mantras. All they just have to do is work. Krishna, no, I extend my mercy to the lowest person. There's no qualification, the only qualification is love. So Shudras can love, a Shudra mother loves her child, vice versa. Love is universal, it goes beyond all castes, creeds, etc. So now Krishna people are saying, okay, that's nice. If you're in India, you have it made. If you're born in India, you're lucky. You get Krishna's mercy. What about the Antyajas? The Antyajas and the Malechas and Yavanas? What about the people that are born outside of India? What about them? Krishna says Papayonia. Papayoni. Anyone who's born in a Papayoni, he will also come to me. So this is Krishna's mercy. This is the Dharma. So the gopis, so that means anyone who loves Krishna or surrenders to Krishna will go to him. This is his blanket policy. This is probably one of the most significant verses in Gita, in 8th chapter, if it's properly understood. There's no bar, everyone, to bhakti, to Krishna bhakti. Because the essence is the love.